Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to find your saved websites in Google Chrome? Chrome saves your bookmarks so you can quickly return to websites you want to visit again. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to find your bookmarks in Google Chrome on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome. Next, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Then tap Bookmarks. The Bookmarks page will open. Here, you'll see two sections. The first one is in your Google account. These bookmarks are associated with your Google account. The second one is only on this device. These bookmarks are saved only on your current device. You can tap a bookmark to open the saved website, and that's how to find your bookmarks in Google Chrome on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Google Chrome tutorials.